Hi guys, it's Erin. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I thought I would do a little project to share with you, show you some cash envelopes that I recently made, and also tell you how you can get a set of your own. Alright, so you're looking at my LOL Traveler's Notebook, and it has all my current cash envelopes in here that I have been working on. And I just wanted to kind of recap and let you know that I did make a video not too long ago showing you my process on how I make my envelopes. I said it in that video and I'll say it again, my envelopes are really, really basic, so there's nothing fancy to them. They just get the job done for me. And I received 2 emails and 2 orders for different sets of envelopes. So I did fulfill those, and thank you to those people who reached out. Originally, I was planning to charge $6 per set of 6, but I am going to move that up to $8. And the reason for that is paying via PayPal. You know that the seller or the recipient actually gets a little bit of money off the top that goes to PayPal, so right around 50 cents or so at this price point, and then I have to pay for the shipping. Now I just wanted to mention that the shipping is also very basic. It's going to be just stamps, first class, put in a number 10 envelope. So if I did anything more than that, I would have to charge more. So this is the way that I can keep it at $8 shipped. I also wanted to mention that if you're interested in some more substantial envelopes, I'm going to link Johanna's channel in the description because she makes some really great ones, and also be able to check out her channel because she does really great work. So here are the 4 sets that I have been working on, and well, actually that I just recently completed. Each set has a different name, so I'm going to show you what every envelope in each set looks like and tell you what the name of it is. So in case you are interested, you can email me directly, and I will have my email in the description also. And you can always check out my blog too. I'm going to be posting things like this over there instead of doing videos all the time. So I'm going to push this back, and this is the first set, and I'm calling this Boho Babe Savings. So each set is going to get a little gold clip, so that just makes it really handy to keep everything together, especially if you're not actually putting these into a wallet. So I'll include that. And each set is also going to get 6 of these generalized registers that I came up with. So there's a place for you to write the cash envelope category, your starting balance, and then a place where you can record your debits and spending, so you can keep a running tally. Each set of 6 envelopes will get 6 registers. All right, so this is the Boho Babe Savings group. First one looks like this. It's actually the paper pack that I think I made these from is called Bohemian something. And then there's this one and this one. So this is kind of like a floral antler, and the smaller circles, and this one here, and this one. So that is Boho Babe Savings. So that's the first one. And as far as how many sets of each of these can I do, I can do probably 2. This set and make 1 other. I don't have a ton of paper, and the paper I do have, you know, the designs are limited. So I just wanted to make that comment. The second one is called Tropagirl Savings. So this is for somebody who might be saving for vacation, or you just want something summer themed. It's going to give you some summer vibes, you know, when you're doing your cash envelopes, make it a little bit more fun, interesting. So this is the first one. And the second one, I love the flamingos. I think they're adorable. And this floral one is just so tropical. And this one, and then this one, and lastly. So I really love this set. I think that it is so cute. And the thing is, if I don't sell these, I mean, it's no big deal. I'll end up using them myself. But I just thought that I would, because I did get a couple emails, I thought that I would put these out there. So this set, I'm calling Beachy Breezy Savings. So again, it's pretty summer themed, tropical themed. Fun to look at in my opinion. So that's the first one. and this is so pretty. I love the pineapples. I think they're adorable, and the watermelon too. And then this page is actually from the LOL line from Paper Studio, and then this one. So I love these. These might be my favorite. I don't know. I kind of like them all. So anyway, that is Beachy Breezy Savings. So that is the third set. And then the final set I'm calling Shabby Chic Girl Savings. So for all you shabby chic lovers out there, I'm also one. This might be for you. So the first one is probably the most shabby chic in my opinion. And then this one, it's kind of an antique floral looking background. And then these flowers, some really big, I think these kind of look like carnations, I don't know. And then some leaves, and then some smaller flowers. Those are really sweet. So that is Shabby Chic Girl Savings. So those are the 4 sets that I did, and I'll go over them one more time. This is the Boho Babe Savings. The second one is the Trappa Girl Savings. And the third one is Beachy Breezy Savings. And Shabby Chic Girl Savings. So those are the 4 that I have. And I wanted to show you too, I'll put some cash in here. I wanted to just demonstrate. So I have this $20 bill, and it fits just like that. So plenty of room to put more bills in, and as you can see, it doesn't go to the top. But I just wanted to mention, since there is no gusset to these, I mean, it's literally just folded paper. You can't really stuff them too much, and you can't really tear them apart so much. You know, you don't want to force it, because you could either compromise or tear the lamination. So you just want to be kind of gentle with them. Cash fits in them very well. This is the exact same size that I use every single week in my videos. And this is the exact same way I make mine. Like I said, you can directly email me. Like I said, I probably have about 2 sets of each, but if not, I also just wanted to share these with you because I thought that they were really fun and cheerful looking, and I'm just kind of getting into the whole summer vibe thing, and I can't wait until we have some warmer weather. That's it, guys. I just wanted to do a little project share with you. I hope that you're all doing well, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you for your support. I'm really enjoying having conversations with a lot of you and getting to know your channels as well, and just being part of this community. I'm really enjoying it. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.